Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve portfolio diversification with Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve portfolio diversification with Fidelity, start by accessing your Fidelity account. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab. Select the Portfolio option to view your current investments. Analyze your existing asset allocation. Evaluate the percentage of stocks, bonds, and alternative investments in your portfolio. Identify any overexposed areas, such as specific sectors or regions. Review Fidelity's research tools to assess the performance of your holdings. Consider using Fidelity's diversification analysis tools for a broader view. Create a list of potential assets that could enhance diversification. Explore Fidelity's fund offerings, including index funds and ETFs. Focus on funds that invest in various asset classes. Look for international funds to add geographical diversity. Incorporate different sectors, such as technology, healthcare, and utilities. Set investment goals that align with your risk tolerance and time horizon. Use Fidelity's investment planning tools to simulate different scenarios. This helps you envision how changes may impact overall performance. Once you decide on new investments, navigate back to the trading platform. Select the funds or assets you wish to purchase. Consider dollar cost averaging if investing a larger sum. This strategy reduces risk by spreading the investment over time. After executing trades, monitor your portfolio regularly. Reassess performance and allocate adjustments as needed. Stay informed about market trends that could influence your investments. Engage with Fidelity's educational resources for further insights. Adjust your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired diversification level. Finally, remember that diversification does not eliminate risk but can help manage it effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.